Guys, this is another side of Old Town Antalya. It's 11:50 in the morning. The shops are starting to open up. Today is our last day here, but we need to come back again because we have not seen the whole Antalya yet. In this town, we need to spend at least a week. These are small boutique hotels, guys, over here. Obviously, these are old buildings that they renovated. Look at this, guys. It's all Hari Turkish cuisine. That's a restaurant, but inside that, beautiful hotel. Alright guys, now we are underneath the Hadrian's Gate. You can see these white marble columns. Look at the detailed work. This is the old town. They're trying to restore it. These homes are like anywhere from 1,000 to 500 years old. So this is another angle. You can see the loins right there from the top. This is the old town of Antalya. Look at these beautiful homes, guys. Small alleys. Kind of takes you back in time. Look at this house. Majority of them has become, I think they have become hotels. Like this one, Cicerone Lodge Hotel. Beautiful bars and restaurants. Look at this, guys. We have a lot of Turkish bath and hammams over here. This is a research center for Mediterranean civilization. Guys, check out this. This used to be a very old home. It was, I guess, pretty bad condition. So they're restoring it to this old, or trying to renovate it. But inside you can see the old walls. Pretty nice. This is, I think, is the most preserved area of the town. And majority of these old homes have become into the, like I said, hotels, boutique hotels, like this one, Ruin Antalya. Oh my God! Look at this! Check it out, guys. Underneath it has the old ruins of Roman Empire. Beautiful. Look at this beautiful courtyard, and underneath they have, oh my God, one should come and stay here. They have these old ruins of Roman ruins are right there. everywhere you go. And this building is built on the old Roman ruins. Look at this, guys. You have to check it out. Look at this. I don't know if you can, I hope you can see it, but this is unbelievable. Like 15, 20 feet down below there, Roman ruins that they discovered. But this is an amazingly beautiful hotel. I need to come and stay here. Oh, look at that mosaic. Marble floors, mosaics. I hope you can see these guys. And they do have kind of like a walking area that you can go underneath and check it out. Obviously it's for the patrons of the hotel. Alright guys, look at this. These are the original old homes. Anywhere from 1,000 to 500 years old. Right next to it was restored. And then right next to it is a brand new building. But check this thing out. This beautiful old home alley. And all these flower pots. And in between, everywhere you go, you have Roman ruins. Guys, these are the private boutique hotels, just like the one that I showed you earlier. And guys, look at this. This is the true heart of Antalya. This part we didn't see last night. Luckily we did come here. That's where you were yesterday. Kind of like a small bazaar within the building. An old antique. Wooden lines over here. Or maybe let me check. I'm gonna leave, guys. This is metal loins made of copper. Let's check out these old keys. I would like to buy this thing, Old Village. Yeah, this is the other part of Antalya. But look at this, guys. Beautiful masjid over here with beautiful gate. It's called Shahzade, meaning Prince Korkut. Jami meaning mosque. Kesik Minare. Right next to it are the Roman ruins. Check them out. I guess they built this mosque, masjid, right next to it. All these are Roman ruins. You can see the columns over there. You can see those, they use those pillars and columns and build it an extension, kind of like reciprocate or replicate, I should say. Everywhere you go, you see the Roman ruins. Restaurants and bars are opening up now. There's an old London telephone booth. Guys, check out this beautiful restaurant with pool and a boutique hotel. Now we're almost by the seafront. Let's check out the seafront from this angle. Guys, check out this view. We would have never known that this area also existed, because today is our last day and we thought the area that we were in yesterday was the old town, but this is the extension of the old town. Look at this beautiful tower over here. This tower is from the Greek era. In the distance you can see the mountains of Antalya. This is another angle. You can see the cliffs of Antalya over there. Over there, that's Sangliati beach. Next time around, hopefully we'll go there. Over here they have a beautiful park overlooking the sea, Mediterranean Sea. Guys, check out these old cannons. All of them are nice small boutique hotels. Let's call it Mono Hotel. This must belong to some rich guy. That's not a hotel.